game.
Okay. Hello, I am Gilbert Antonio and I will interview General Hatiana, a basketball player. So first question for you is what are the preparations you have made for the competitions?
The first thing na ginagawa namin is pag ensayo kami, nag-ensayo kami, then train kami, magbuo kami ng plano together with my teammates para sa game namin is prepared na kami.
Okay.
So yun.
Next one is what is the most challenging part as a basketball player?
Siguro yung challenging part is yung matalo kami. The second one is yung mas malakas yung kalaban namin.
Yun lang po.
Yung napakita.
Okay. Next one is what are the problems you have encountered before and during and after the game?
The first one siguro yung hindi namin pagkaunawa ng mga teammates na diba? Yung kakakita ko yun eh.
Influencer before.
Yun yung before. So,
Ano ba? Naglalaro na kayo?
naglalaro na kami yung error namin. Nagkaka-error kami. So, nag-delete yun sa pagkatalo namin.
Pagkatapos ko ng game.
Pagkatapos naman ng game.
Okay, next one po. How you accept when you are losing a game and win after the game?
Yung sa losing naman naro namin.
Okay, next one po. How do you accept when you lose a game and win a game?
Sa pagkatalo naman ginagawa namin yung lesson yun para mas pagbutihin pa namin sa susunod na laro namin. Pag nanalo na kami, mas i-improve pa namin, mas gagalingan pa namin. So yun, ang ginagawa.
Next one po is what is the worst practice you have endured?
Siguro yung hindi namin masunod yung mga sinasabi ng coach namin. Practice namin. Then yung training namin napakahirap. Like mag-jogging kami 5 kilometers.
Ayaw, that's wala ka play.
Pag bumalik ka kami 10 kilometers na yun.
Okay, next one po. Is there a particular significance to your jersey number?
My jersey is from number ng mother. Yung birthday ng angel.
Ano po ba yung jersey number?
This jersey number, isa lang.
Ano yan?
Tamang number. 6.
Next one. How do you channel your frustration when the referee's decision doesn't go your way?
Sa game naman, hindi mo iwasan yung pagkakabali ng referee. So, hindi naman perfect yung referee. Ikaw na player, siyempre, kung magkamali yung referee kaya mo na. Pwede kang mag-usap, pero huwag kang mag-inig. So, yun.
Next one is what tips would you give to someone going out for basketball?
Sa mga basketball players o mag-isibigan is mag-grade lang sila sa mag-grade nila. Deadline lang nila yung mga negative sila ng mga tao sa paligid. Kasi pag pinakinggan mo yun,
Next one. What has basketball taught you that carries over into the other areas of your life?
Kasi kung bata ako, puro lang ako, puro computer shop, gano'n. Then, yung pinsan ko, ginaya ako mag-basketball, sa liga. Natry ako ng mag-basketball nun. So, yun, gusto ko siya. Yung mga bad habits na ginagawa ko, iba ko